Beckman Construction holds regularly scheduled safety meetings that provide an opportunity for reinforcing the importance of general safety, as well as site-specific work-related procedures applicable to this project. Properly prepared safety meetings will focus on one or two topics and be direct and to the point. All safety questions will be addressed and interactive participation is encouraged. Today's safety topic is scaffold safety. A scaffold, by definition, is any temporary elevated platform and its supporting structure used for supporting employees or materials or both. Because of the numerous types of scaffolds, the infinite possible combinations of uses, the various surface features on which the scaffold may rest, and the varying conditions in which scaffolds may be used, it would be impossible to detail what to do in every situation. The goal of any safety program, including scaffold safety, is to eliminate the possibility of harm to employees while they are performing their duties. Only safety harnesses, not belts, should be used in fall protection. Leading causes of scaffold accidents and injuries are plank slippage, being struck by falling objects, and the actual collapse of the support structure or plankage. Employees who work on any type of scaffold should follow the following listed guidelines. Scaffolds and scaffold components should not be loaded in excess of their maximum intended loads or rated capacities, whichever is less. Scaffolds and scaffold components should be inspected for visible defects by a competent person before each work shift, and after any occurrence, which could affect a scaffold's structural integrity. Damaged or weakened parts should be immediately replaced. Scaffolds should be erected, moved, dismantled, or altered only under the supervision and direction of a competent person qualified in scaffold erection, moving, dismantling, or alteration. Such activities shall be performed only by experienced and trained employees, selected for such work by the competent person. Work on or from scaffolds is prohibited during storms or high winds, unless a competent person has determined it is safe for employees to be on the scaffold, and these employees are protected by a personal fall arrest system or wind screens. Personnel should not work on scaffolds covered with snow, ice, or other slippery material, except to remove the material with extreme care. Where swinging loads are being hoisted onto or near scaffolds, such that the loads might contact the scaffold, tag lines, or equivalent measures to control the loads should be used. Debris should not be allowed to accumulate on platforms. Makeshift devices on top of scaffold platforms should not be used to increase the working level height of employees. Guardrails should have smooth surfaces to prevent puncture, laceration, or snagging injuries. Makeshift parts should not be used. A nail is not a substitute for a pin. This concludes the training on the topic of scaffold safety. Please sign the safety meeting attendance sheet on the clipboard in the office to confirm that you've watched the video and understand the material presented. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please report them immediately.